Hey guys, so this is Mr. Welch, letting you know kind of how things are going to go this week with us going back into green. I just wanted to give everybody heads up of where we would be and how this Algebra 2 test is going to take place. So if we come in here and we jump to Algebra 2, okay, if you look at our schedule, the way our schedule was built, it says that on 10:15, this would be B day, so let's go to A day. Okay, here we go. 10:19, would be our test, okay? And then 10:21 is supposed to be 5.1. If we look at the B day, same idea. 10:20 is our test. 10:22 is 5.1. What I'm going to allow you guys to do this week, because I realize yellow is complicated and it caused some grief, I honestly have very little sense of where you guys are. I don't have a lot of people that have signed up for the test times yet, and so that tells me, not everybody's catching every email or not everybody's paying real close attention. The other part is, I know some of you need a little bit more time to test prep, and I don't want to take that away from you. I want to let you have opportunities to ask questions and get the help that you need. However, we need to take this test, and we need to continue to move forward. You had time, and I didn't get a ton of emails from you. I didn't get people dropping in very often. So I kind of have to operate on the assumption that you guys are fine. And I'd love to say that that's definitely true, but I feel like there's going to be some people who maybe need a little extra time. So here's how this is going to work. You are going to have a choice individually, not as a whole class, but individually of possibly swapping these two. Now here's the deal. At some point, either on Monday or on Wednesday, you've got to take the test. Or Tuesday or Thursday. One of your two class periods, you will have to sit down and take the test. Okay? If you are taking the test, that means that on the other day, you are accountable for what you're not going to do, which would be 5.1. So let's say you come in Monday morning or Tuesday, and you take your Chapter 4 test. Then on Wednesday or Thursday, you'll do 5.1. I'll give an instruction for it, and we'll just go from there. There'll be some people taking a test, but you'll just go on with 5.1. There will be other people in your class who come in on Monday or Tuesday and say, I can't take the test today. I'm so unprepared. I need another day. I need to ask some questions, Mr. Welch, before I feel comfortable taking the test. I'll say, okay, once I get everybody started on their test, I'll answer whatever questions we can, one-on-one or in small groups. And so we'll do it that way so that everybody has the opportunity to study. But if you push your test back to Wednesday or Thursday, at some point you have to do 5.1. Maybe that's this weekend. Maybe that's Monday night or Tuesday night. The videos are posted, the resources are there, and I'll certainly help you, but you are going to have to manage that, okay? Just two things this week. One test and one homework assignment. If you did the studying you were supposed to do through the week and over the weekend, you shouldn't need extra time, and you certainly shouldn't be overwhelmed by the amount of work that I'm giving you. Okay, one assignment, it's fairly small, shouldn't take you very long to get through. So I fully feel confident that you guys can do what I'm asking you to do this next week, but I also want to give you that flexibility. So be aware that there's some choice in when and how you're going to do your test, okay? But I do expect you to come in. You get an 85-minute period to take that test. That's more than enough time. So you need to come prepared. With the bonus question, or the last question, I think it's 14 / the bonus. It does require you to use a graphing calculator to run a regression. I'll show you how to do that the day of the test. And if you honestly are struggling with it because you didn't get an opportunity to practice with the calculators, I can help you a little bit with parts of it to make sure that the calculator piece is taken care of. The logic part you're going to have to manage. But in terms of just getting it into the calculator and getting a solution from the calculator, that's easy. But what does that answer mean? That's sort of the second part of the question that you still have to be able to answer. And if you watch the video on the test review, it should kind of detail that as well. Okay, so good luck, guys. I'm excited to be back together on Monday, and hopefully, we can stay working together. So again, wash your hands, wear a mask, do the things that you have to make sure that we can stay together And then always, if you feel like you've got symptoms, stay home, report it. If you feel like it's really necessary, if you feel like you've definitely got some symptoms, please get tested, find out what's going on so that everybody can be in the best situation we can be in. All right, good luck, and let me know what I can do to help you, all right?